Hello programmers, I am from codespeedy.com and this is our first video on PHP tutorial. In this video we're gonna learn how to getting started with PHP and what exactly we need to work with PHP. In the next videos, that means in this whole PHP tutorial series, we're gonna cover up most of the things you need to learn to become a good PHP developer. So keep calm, keep patience, get relaxed and get ready. If you got questions in your mind or any doubts, simply put that in the comment section. Hopefully we gonna clear all doubts. As this is our first video on PHP tutorial, so we gonna learn how to install Apache Server on your machine and what editor do you need to write your PHP codes. So at first the most important thing is your server, that is Apache Server. You need to install it. Just simply type XAMPP in Google and go to the download XAMPP links. XAMPP for Windows. The below versions of XAMPP is for Windows and these are for Linux, and finally this is for Mac operating systems. So based on your operating systems you can download your version of XAMPP. I am using Windows, so I will simply download it, as the bottommost version is our latest version. So just simply download it and install it. I have already installed it, so I don't need to download it again. You can download it from here. So after downloading it, just run your XAMPP control panel. The control panel will look like this. By default you need to start your Apache server and MySQL server in order to run your PHP file on your server. So just click on start. This is your process ID and this is Apache port, and next you need to start your MySQL server. This is your process ID and this is your port for MySQL. If you have successfully installed your Apache server or not, how to check that? Simply open new tab, type localhost and hit enter. You can find that localhost/dashboard, it appears. That means we have successfully installed your Apache server. Boom. So how to check whether this page resides? Simply open your C drive, let's go to XAMPP and htdocs. Here index.php file, this is your index.php file for your Apache server. So you have successfully installed Apache server on your machine. In the next video we're gonna learn our first PHP program to print out something on the web browser. Best of luck, and hopefully you have enjoyed this video. Like, comment and share.